I can't get up.
Oh.
Hi, you've never been this close to me in bed before.
Oh.
Only me.
I don't know if I like it. I think I do. It's because you're a girl. I'm a lesbian. I really hurt you.
Look at all the bullshit on her bed.
It's because I moved it all. The damn maintenance man didn't need in my room. You're gonna hit me in the face.
No, I'm not.
Oh yeah.
Yes!
How did this end up in here? Hey, read my sign, guys. Read my come on in sign.
Come on in. That could be taken in several different ways.
I got it from Burger King.
Ah.
Am I that scary?
First, but I can't.
Hi.
Brittany?
Love you too. Stop
I don't know how she sleeps with all this shit.
I don't. I just haven't moved it. My back hurts and my knee hurts, and I need to go to sleep because I got school in a couple hours, and I don't want to go.
That's disturbing. I'm not done yet. Wow! A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Alright. Oh, I didn't give out.
Hi.
Are you done for the night?
For a little bit, my knee really does hurt.
Hang on. Brittany.
What? My arm is huge.
Imagine waking up to that mug every morning.
That nobody does.
I would love it.
No, you wouldn't. You're a liar. That's why everybody only wakes up to me once except Lindsay. She wakes up facing the other direction.
That was priceless. I'll give it up.
She bounced herself right off of me. Thanks. I needed those.
Wow. I number one. Yeah. Here's Sarah.
Hi.
Oh, Sarah looks cute!